Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and thank you for tuning into today's video. So today I'm here with a waveformers tutorial, and I might not call this video, title it waveformers, because a few people's waveformers videos have been being taken down by coilformers. But today is a waveformers tutorial. I'm sorry if I sound bunged up, I do have a bit of a cold. But anyway, I did buy 4 packets of the waveformers and I used every single one. As you guys know, my hair's quite thick. I actually could have done with another packet, but these are my results and they're okay for first attempt, I think. In this video you will see the ups and downs of me trying to get the waveformer in my hair. Yeah, it was a journey. Yeah, I've never used coilformers before or anything like that, so I had no experience on trying to hook the thing onto my hair and put it through. I did have a bit of breakage, which I will show you as well. So yeah, I'm not quite sure. I really do like the results. My hair's not that shiny. I would like it to be shinier and not so frizzy, but I think I did use a little bit too much gel. But I'm gonna let you guys get on and see what products I use and how I got on with the waveformers. So as you can see, I'm holding 3 packets of waveformers, but I actually used 4. So in this tutorial I will be using waveformers as well as the Cantu coconut curling cream to moisturize my hair, and for hold I will also be using the Eco Styler argan oil gel. So the packet of waveformers comes with a stick that you have to put together, and it's not actually the easiest thing to put together, as you will see now, but we did it in the end. And the bottom of the stick is textured to help grip. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and as always my hair is divided into 4 sections just to make it easier to get through all of my hair. So as my hair's dried out since I got out of the shower, I'm going to re-moisturize it with my water in my spray bottle. And now I'm just working that moisture into my hair. So starting off with the Cantu coconut curling cream, I'm going to now apply it to my hair just to add some extra moisture and also seal in that moisture from the water, because the coconut cream is kind of like a thicker sealing cream. And now I'm ready to section off my hair into smaller sections and get these waveformers in. So I'm now also going to brush through my section to get rid of any tangles and apply some Eco Styler gel to add hold. I'm just doing a bit of a length check because my hair's been braided up under wigs for a long time and I haven't done a proper length check for ages. So I was just like, wow. So the first step of applying the waveformers is to thread the stick through the former. I guess that's what you would call it. And then I've seen other YouTubers twist the roots of their hair just to make it easier to hook the stick onto the hair, but I'm gonna let the next few clips speak for themselves. Yeah, as you can see, I was already over this and I hadn't even got one in my hair yet. At this point, it was just a joke. So I ended up getting closer to the mirror just so I could see what I was actually doing better, and this seemed to help. And we did it! Time to do the rest of my head. And as you can see here, these waveformers really do elongate your hair. So now you'll watch me repeat the same process and the same struggle for the rest of my head. So as you can see, I'm hooking the hook into my hair upside down and then pushing the waveformer to my roots, holding it there and then pulling the stick through. And this also kept happening as well. So I did get breakage where my hair kept catching and not quite making it into the waveformer. So about 3 hours later, I finally finished getting the waveformers into my hair. So I left the waveformers in for about between 8 and 10 hours, and now I'm going to take them out. As you can see, these are really easy to take out. You literally just pull them out. So my hair is super flat. I don't think I've seen my hair this flat since I last straightened it about 2 years ago, but I'm really impressed with how elongated these waveformers made my hair. So now I'm going to go through and separate my hair and fluff it up. I found it easiest to separate from the roots of my hair, where my hair naturally started to break apart, and then work my way down to the ends. And here are the final results. Honestly, I did love how my hair came out. I wish there was a little bit more shine and a little less frizz, but I did love how my hair came out. This style was really giving me like summer, beach waves, holiday hair vibes, but without any heat at all. I really do like the results. My hair's not that shiny. I would like it to be shinier and not so frizzy, but I think I did use a little bit too much gel. If I was to use these waveformers again, which I do hope so, well, I do hope to, I mean, because I really do like the results I've been seeing. I think I might use a different gel. I still want to use a gel for that hold, but I think I might use a different gel. But yeah, just a little bit more shine and definition, not so much frizz would have been nice, but I am liking it. I'd say overall this is a yay, a mid yay. It's not quite a nay, it's not quite a yay, but I think it just comes down to like practice.